kwesinye isikhathi kubiza ukuphila kwethu ukulalela kwesinye isikhathi kuyabiza ukuthi ushiye konke emuva ubheke phambili ngoba ukulalela kubiza uNkulunkulu abe nawe eduze ubheke ukuthi isitha zonke suke uNkulunkulu avele kubulalele wezwe izwi lakhe. So easy nawe one on one ushiya konke ukhohle ukuthi abantu bathini ngoba uNkulunkulu uyaphila. So bazalwane ngithanda ukunazi ukuthi sibakade uthi akhona ukusebenza empilweni yakho. You need to understand the relationship that you need to have with him. The relationship that you need to have with him is a relationship that is interconnected to the master, so that when